The 9-month litigation has come to an end as the Supreme Court in Abuja affirmed Affirms Adeleke as the elected governor of Osun State. The unanimous judgment, led by Justice Emmanuel Agin, on Tuesday affirmed Adeleke as the winner of the July 16, 2022 state election. While striking out the appeal, the 5-man panel stated that the appeal lacks merit. It will be recalled that the Osun State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal sacked Affirms Adeleke of People's Democratic Party from office for overvoting during the July 16, 2022 election. This was after the immediate past governor, Gboyega Oyetola, and the All Progressive Party rejected the results of the election and headed to the tribunal. The tribunal also ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to withdraw the certificate of return from Adeleke and issue a fresh one to Oyetola as the governor of Osun State. In his ruling on Tuesday, the Supreme Court held that the tribunal was wrong to conclude overvoting on oral witnesses without considering information on the BVAS machine and the voter register, which has centered on 2022 election. Speaking to journalists after the court proceedings, counsel to INEC and PDP said,
Our first reaction is to say that we are very happy. We are very, very glad for the judgment. This is the Supreme Court, and that is the last court. And once the Supreme Court pronounces on an issue, that is the finality of the issue. So many legal issues were raised, which are very fundamental to our electoral jurisprudence, particularly 2022, when the new Electoral Act was passed. So there have been issues, transmission, and server. What is the implication? Which one do we rely on? Is it the voters register or the end server? The Supreme Court has settled that today as a mark of finality. You need the voters register, you need the ECHA, you need the first, but the three of them, they are the trinity that can prove overvoting.
They must go together.
So they must go together. So today we are very happy because it has thrown more light into the electoral jurisprudence and guidance for not only lawyers and judges, but for the Nigerian community, so that they can understand how the system works, not just talking, but bound by the rules and regulations governing the election.
No scintilla of merit. What a sad day for that tribunal.
Wow.
Now, the Supreme Court has, through this case, settled a lot of issues that will come before ongoing tribunals and courts. And that was why, as INEC, we tendered the BVAS machines for the first time in Nigeria, so that today, that is the way to go. The Supreme Court has done what they have been established for, doing justice both according to law and justice of the law. There is peace in Osun. There will be peace in Nigeria.
Amen.
If other tribunals and courts will follow the spirit and the principles enunciated down by the Supreme Court.
And we are very happy that at the end of the day, judgment was given, and it has been a long battle. By His grace, those that wanted to take our mandate away were shown aside today. It was a landmark and unanimous judgment by the judge of the Court of Appeal. Osun is PDP. Imole has come to stay, and I believe that with this judgment, our governor, Governor Adeleke, will no longer be distracted. And of course, even in the last couple of months since he came into power, he has been doing so much for Osun people. People have been feeling his impact. And we are equally happy that by this judgment, we have enough time to bring the dividend of democracy to our people. Never again in the history of Osun State should they allow the miscarriage of judgment, judicial abortion that took place at the lower court to happen again.